Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. If you like finger picking and want a challenge, this could be one song, a great one. It's from Brent Faiyaz. He's been with us before, at least 2 occasions, in collaboration with Thames is one of them, I believe. Yes, and this one he stands on his own feet with a song called Wrong Faces. Okay, so this one is a finger picking song, and it switches between 2 chords, the D minor 7 and the A minor 7. Let's go into it. Okay, and since we're gonna just learn the picking pattern, we don't have to go over any chords or so. It just is like that. We're gonna be aware of what chords we're playing in the background, but still we don't have to have the full grips from the chords. So let's go right into it. So we're gonna play and start with the D minor 7 part, and we have 2 halves, so to speak. So what you need to hold here is one finger on the 2nd fret, let's see, G string, and one finger on the 1st fret, high E. And I suggest you hold that with your mid finger on the 2nd G and with index finger on the 1st, high E. So you're gonna play this part first. Okay, that's the first half. Okay, so it's a lot of notes here, and I just want to mention and throw that out to begin with, that you can play this in different ways. This is how the song starts. Later on, it gradually changes a little bit, but this could be one pattern to hold on to through the entire song. Okay, so just be aware of that. So you're gonna play open D, 2nd G, 1st E. You're gonna play that for 3 times. So. And then you're gonna play open D, 2nd G, and open high E for 2 times. And then you finally play the 2nd G. That is the end of the first half. Okay, so slowly like this. And then the second half, now I suggest you go in with the full D minor 7 chord. That means you have that mid finger on the 2nd G, and then you play a short little bar with the index finger on the 1st B and 1st high E, like this. Okay, so you're gonna play now. So you play open D string, 2nd G, 1st high E. Then you repeat that again. And then you're gonna play 1st B, 2nd G. And then you're gonna play the 3rd high E. I use my little pinky to reach out for that. Then 1st B, 2nd G. And then you play 1st E. So you release that pinky. 1st B and 2nd G. And then 1st high E and 2nd G. So that part goes. And that's the second half of D minor. So far we learned. Now we're gonna switch to the A minor 7 chord, and you're pretty much gonna hold it as it is. So that is mid finger on the 2nd fret D string and your index finger on the 1st fret B string. You're gonna play this part first, the first half. Okay, so open A, 2nd D, 1st B. Repeat that. Then open B, 2nd D, and then you play 2 times of 1st B, second D, open A. So again. And then he finished off with first B and a second D. So that's the first half in A minor part. So slowly like this. And then second half goes like this. Sorry for some bad sound there, but we're gonna go through it now. So you're gonna play open A, second D, open B, then open A, second D, then first B, open B, second D, open B, second D, open A, third B, second D, open A, third B, and a second D. And that's the second half, an end. So, tempo. And then you start all over again. So I'm going to take you through one full round for D minor and A minor, and I'm going to take down the tempo a little bit. So let's go. And that's it, guys. That just rolls pretty much through the entire song, or actually not, but you can use this pattern to go through this entire song. It changes constantly, notes here and there, but this is kind of the backbone of it. So use that one and enjoy it. Wrong Faces from Brent. Hope you enjoy, guys. And I just want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Okay, 6 strings ago, way back. We're gonna go way back in time to play the classical great success songs, and gonna play them for you from the beginning till the end, like a playthrough. So go check out my secondary YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and play tuned.